guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, I made it into the top 30 for the NYX Face Awards in New Zealand, and we've been asked to do an unboxing video. So we got a big box of lots of makeup goodies, so I'm going to open this huge box and show you guys what I got. So this is the huge box that we received. I got my trusty box cutter, and I just want to open this up. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Oh my God. Sorry for overreacting. Got my finger on some ice. I think it'll be okay, but we need to finish this video. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Yay! Okay, so congratulations for making the top 30. Oh, put some blood on it. Okay. So that's just the little certificate, I guess. Ooh, we got the NYX Beauty School Dropout Palette. Very nice. Wow, we got so much stuff. Okay. We've also got all of this stuff. There's like lipstick, the lingerie lipsticks, and also an eyebrow pencil. Good, comes in my color, that's good. Also this nice Simply Red lipstick. I do like my red. Oh, what is this? Oh. Cool. Little candle, I think. Yeah. Smells nice. Okay, and we got some hair products as well from Redken. Cream highlight and contour palette. Awesome. And this concealer as well. I think this is a little dark for me, but it's still definitely useful. Oh my god. It's starting to get really dizzy. And looks like we've got some nice face masks as well, which is cool. Both by Garnier. Oh, and of course a little farmer's gift card as well, which is always super handy, and it's $50. That's pretty cool. This is for contouring and highlighting, which is awesome. A t-shirt as well. What is this t-shirt? Of course I'm getting blood all over it as well, which is not ideal. Friday. Good for casual Fridays and any other day of the week. Oh, and it's a little mirror. Cute. And it's got like a little bee on it. It's nice. I always like having little mirrors for my face painting, so that's actually really handy. Thank you. What are these? Pressed pigment colors. And then also some more little pressed pigments as well. Oh, and we got these really pretty blushes too. These are actually really nice. I love them. Awesome. Alright, so yeah, there's actually way more stuff in here, but I'm feeling really dizzy now, and I kind of look tragic so I'm going to stop. But thank you so much for accepting me in the competition. I'm super excited about the theme that was announced for our first tutorial that we have to do, which is Mother Nature. Thank you to all of the sponsors as well, and yeah, obviously for providing us with all of this awesome makeup to play with. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me chopping my finger off, and I guess I better deal with that now. So please watch my videos that will be posted for the competition, and please vote for me.